Darren Kelly, CLG Muscree, Cundy Chorkee.
The minute I was born, I'd say my mother and father had a hurl in my hand. From ever since, it's just been hurling.
Oh, Darren and hurling, he just loves it. Like, he lives and breathes hurling. You can see it now in the kids. Like, the kids are just following just exactly like him.
Bhí Darren agus Eilis dúirte dá chéile, ó bhí siad in an éigeoirí.
Like, I suppose I've seen him a few times walking home from school. I'd be walking down to the bus stop and Darren was one of the town boys at the time, so he'd be over by Super Valley hanging out, I suppose, across the road checking out the talent who's coming down. I added him on Facebook and it kind of escalated from there. Funny enough, we know each other a lot longer than we even knew ourselves. After we got together after a couple of years, Siobhan, Darren's mother, produced a picture of us together in summer camp when we were 5 or 6.
Agus Darren ag súil le garan mamán na tríthach, bhí mallar tro an andó.
I was 18 and I think I was sitting below home playing the PlayStation above my bedroom, and next thing I got a text from Eilis telling me that I was going to be a dad. Hurling was probably still the first thing on my mind, if we're being honest.
I put my foot down that way when we had Owen. I was like, you can train 2 nights a week, you're not doing your 3 nights on a match, because that would have been at home with a baby, and neither of us really knew what we were doing.
At the end of the day, sport must come secondary to family situations. Family must come first.
He was edging on the end of the Cork teams as well, and that kind of had to stop.
Bhí Darren ibertí a dhéanamh, agus é tíorithe a héal baile.
The tough moments, there was a lot of them there. Without Eilis being there, I wouldn't get through them. Would I change anything? Not in a million years. No way. Like, you come home from work, you can have a bad day at work, and next day you come home and it's just messing with the 2 lads. You're coming home to a positive situation the whole time. Unless when we fall out with ourselves, and then it's a different ball game. We all picture no sound.
Is there a chance that Darren aina Underdogs, agus gesto a fáistí a scraga?
Well, I think he's definitely doing it for the boys anyway, to look up in admiration and show them that you can achieve whatever you want if you put your head to it,
This is something that I need to do for myself, and I want to kind of show the lads that if you want something enough, as long as you work hard enough, you can get it. Like, you don't always have to be an underdog, and if you are an underdog, it doesn't mean you can't win.
Underdogs, Iborts like Greenfields Digital Sports Technology, creators of the Smart Schlitter.